Did you know trees has a hidden world beneath our feet? A bustling network unseen, unheard, until now. They communicate using a vast underground web of fungi, like nature's own internet. Through this wood wide web, trees share vital resources, water, nutrients, even warnings. Imagine a mother tree nurturing her seedlings, sending them sugars through this hidden connection. They even recognize their own kin, favoring relatives with extra support. Above ground, trees release airborne signals, alerting neighbors to insect attacks. These chemical messages travel on a breeze, a silent alarm understood by the forest community. Trees also act as giant air conditioners and filters, cleaning the air we breathe. Their complex lives involve cooperation, communication, and community, a true hidden society. So next time you walk in the woods, remember the intricate, secret world thriving all around you, woven into the very fabric of nature.